Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hello, sir. I'm happy to be back.
Yes, sir. Great. Today topic is very colorful.
Colorful. Wow. Are we learning?
Yes, Hisham. Today we will learn color and family words.
That sounds fun.
Yes, sir. So let's start with color. In English, we say colors. Can you say it, Hisham?
Colors.
Yes, sir. Good. Repeat again, everyone. Listing color. Now let's learn some basic color. Okay, sir. The first color is red. Red man is lal. Say with me, red.
Red, red.
Okay, sir. Good. Red is the color of an apple. An apple is red. Can you say it, Hisham?
An apple is red.
Excellent. Next color blue. Blue mani nila. The sky is blue. Repeat after me. The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
Okay, sir. Perfect. Next color is green. Green man is hara. The grass is green.
The grass is green.
Okay, sir. Very nice. Now let's try yellow. Pila. The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
Okay, sir. Good. Next one black. Black man is kala. Night is black.
Night is black.
Excellent. Okay, sir. Excellent. Last one white. White man is faith. Milk is white.
Milk is white.
Okay, sir. Wonderful. Now let's review all colors together. Say after me. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white.
Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white.
Okay, sir. Amazing, Hisham. And you too, dear listener. Great job.